If you've ever tried to make a proper grilled sandwich at home and ended up with soggy bread, unevenly melted cheese, or a pan that's a nightmare to clean, you know how frustrating something so simple can get. It's one of those meals that should be quick, but somehow isn't. That's where the Chefman Panini press grill and gourmet sandwich maker comes in. It's built for anyone who wants fast, no-fuss meals without sacrificing texture or flavor. Whether you're a student, someone with a small kitchen, or just tired of juggling pans on the stove. It's essentially a compact grill that can handle everything from crispy sandwiches to basic grilling, all in one place. Right away, the design feels practical and approachable. It has a stainless steel exterior that gives it a slightly more premium look than you'd expect at this price, but it's not trying too hard to stand out. It's compact enough to fit comfortably on a small countertop or even be stored in a cabinet without much hassle. When you open it up, the nonstick grill plates feel smooth and solid, and the hinge has a bit of flexibility to it, which turns out to be more useful than it looks. That floating hinge is what allows it to adjust to different food thicknesses. So whether you're making a thin grilled cheese or a stacked panini with a lot of filling, it presses evenly instead of squashing everything flat. And if you open it all the way to 180 degrees, it turns into a flat grill, which gives you more cooking surface for things like vegetables, burgers, or even breakfast items. It's a simple feature, but it makes the appliance more versatile than a typical sandwich press. In everyday use, this is all about speed and convenience. You plug it in, wait a few minutes for it to heat up, and you're ready to go. It doesn't have complicated controls, just a straightforward on and off operation, so there's almost no learning curve. For busy mornings or quick lunches, that simplicity actually works in its favor. Cooking performance is solid for what it's designed to do. Sandwiches come out evenly toasted with a nice crisp on the outside and properly melted fillings inside. Because of the contact grilling, both sides cook at the same time, which cuts down cooking time compared to using a pan. If you're using it as an open grill, it handles basic items well, though you shouldn't expect the same level of heat control or searing power as a full-size grill. One thing that stands out is how easy it is to clean. The nonstick coating does a good job of preventing food from sticking, so most of the time, you can just wipe it down once it cools. There's also a removable drip tray that catches excess grease, which helps keep things from getting messy, especially if you're grilling meats. It's not completely maintenance-free, but it's definitely low effort compared to traditional cookware. In terms of noise, it's basically silent aside from a slight sizzle when food hits the hot plates, which is exactly what you'd expect. It doesn't disrupt your space, and it fits easily into a normal kitchen routine without demanding extra attention. That said, there are a few limitations. The heat distribution is generally good, but not perfect. You might notice slight variation depending on what you're cooking. It also doesn't have adjustable temperature controls, which means you're relying on a single heat setting for everything. For most everyday uses, that's fine, but if you like precise control, you might find it a bit limiting. The size is another trade-off. It's great for small kitchens and quick meals, but if you're cooking for a larger group regularly, you might find the capacity a bit tight. It can handle up to 4 slices or 2 large sandwiches at once, which is enough for most situations, but not ideal for bigger batches. Compared to other panini presses in the same price range, this one strikes a nice balance between simplicity and versatility. Some cheaper models feel flimsy or heat unevenly, while more expensive ones offer extra features you might not actually use. This sits comfortably in the middle. It's reliable, easy to use, and flexible enough for different types of meals without overcomplicating things. So who is this really for? If you want a quick way to make better sandwiches, simple grilled meals, or even light breakfast without dealing with multiple pans, this is a solid choice. It's especially useful in small kitchens, dorms, or shared spaces where efficiency matters. But if you're looking for precise cooking control or something to handle heavy-duty grilling, you might want to look at more advanced options. At the end of the day, this is about making everyday meals easier and a bit more enjoyable. It won't replace a full kitchen setup, but it doesn't need to. It just does its job well and keeps things simple. If you think this could upgrade your quick meal game and save you some time in the kitchen, you can check it out through the link in the description. And if you found this review helpful, go ahead and like the video and subscribe. More honest, Practical reviews are coming your way.